Hi Lily, can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a second-hand used pump truck. Can you recommend one for me?
Yes, the brands of pump truck include Zoomlion, Sany, Putmaster, Civic. Do you want to go to remanufacturing center?
Yes, that's great. Let's go.
Here are Zoomlion issued chassis, 52 meters. This is Zoomlion 56 meters bench chassis. This is Putmaster 49 bench chassis. Which one do you like?
Well, I think I'm interested in this Putmaster pump truck.
Okay, I'll show you out here.
Does it mainly repair any parts here?
Yes, mainly repair glasses plates and cutting rings.
Okay, that's good. So what's the maximum theoretical transport value?
180 cubic meters per hour.
Okay, I think I'm very satisfied with it.
Hi Lily, can I help you?
Hello, can you recommend me a delivery pump for me?
Yes, do you have any requirements?
I want to transport concrete with high output.
Okay, we have a Zoomlion delivery pump with a maximum concrete output of 40 cubic meters per hour. The vertical convey distance is 150 meters.
Wow.
The horizontal distance is 500 meters. How did you like it?
So what's the brand of the diesel engine and what's the pressure of the pumping system?
The diesel model engine is DOIT and the pumping system pressure is 28 MPa.
Okay, so is it wireless remote control?
Yes, it is.
Wow, I think I'm going to buy it.
Hello Lily, welcome to our warehouse.
Why is this your warehouse? It's so big.
Okay, let me show you around.
Okay, let's go.
Look, these shelves display our products. Which one do you see?
I think I want to see the cutting rings and glasses plate. Can you show me?
Okay, let's go.
Hey Amy, I can see here is the glasses plate. Can you introduce it to me?
Yes, this model is DN260. This model is Sany concrete pump spare parts.
Okay, so what material is it made of?
Double L material.
How many cubic meters can be used?
40,000 meters.
Okay, I think I will consider for it.
Okay, welcome.
Hey Amy, I want to know more about the cutting rings. Can you introduce it to me?
Okay, we have Zoomlion concrete spare parts cutting rings. And the model is 260.
Okay, is it made of alloy and suitable for all the pump trucks?
Yes, it is.
Okay, how many cubic meters can be used for?
50,000 cubic meters.
Okay, I will contact when I decide to buy this, okay?
Okay.
Hi Amy, can you introduce the S-tube for me?
Yes, we have Zoomlion compare spare part S-tube. Model includes DN260, DN200.
Wow, that's a lot. So what's the advantage of the S-tube?
It's high strength and wear resistance. Use imported materials.
Wow, so how many cubic meters can be used for?
80,000 cubic meters.
Okay, I think I know the details.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.